Hi, my name is Parag Paul, and welcome back in this new lecture of the ETAB. In this particular lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to create a plan in AutoCAD and how we can bring this plan to the ETAB software. Now, why it is very important? Because the architectural and the planning papers used to provide a different kind of the irregularity in the structure to provide the aesthetic view. Okay, but due to that irregularity, the structural component become very unhealthy. So first of all, you need to take a plan from that. You need to take a plan of the two-dimensional plan from the architecture person and try to draw the center line plan. When you draw the center line plan, that center line plan will reflect you the position of the column and the beam length, right? According to that, you can also change the orientation of the column as per your concern because they never go for the column orientation and all. Okay, they only just provide you the plan. So what you have to do, you just need to draw the center line plan as per your two-dimensional plan, not three-dimensional plan they provided. Only 2D plan I'm talking about, which is a floor plan. After that, okay, you need to tell them if there is a requirement of the beam, you should tell them that yes, there is a requirement of the beam. Now I'll tell you what are the patterns you should follow, where you need to cut the beam and where you need to cut the column. That is also important thing in the preparation of this uh, normal plan. But in today lecture, I'll teach you how to create a plan in civil in this AutoCAD and how to bring the plan in ETAB. Now you can see this workspace is of the Civil 3D because actually I use Civil 3D as a AutoCAD. Okay, but in next video I'll definitely use AutoCAD. The all thing is same, only the scenario is the rest highway portion is over there, so don't worry about it. It's very interesting because all civil engineers should know the all these softwares workspace. All remember one thing, all Autodesk software having the same workspace. Okay, even though from here, okay, this three four this menus are always same in all Autodesk softwares, and these are the basic menus of the AutoCAD. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to go in AutoCAD like this in drawing utilities and go to the units. First of all, set units in decimal, whatever your precision, okay, in a decimal in like decimal degree, and also put this scale in meter. If you want to work in feet and inches, you can select the engineering. It automatically come into the feet and inches. Click on OK. After that also again go in drawing settings, go to the drawing settings. Here actually this is a civil 3D. No need to do anything over here. In AutoCAD also you no need to do the rest of the thing. Only just set whatever the metric unit you have. After that, here you can see if your windows if your workspaces look like this, okay, it means that your grid line is hidden. What you have to do, just press Ctrl G so you can see the grid lines. Now you can see this is a y direction and this is a x direction. This particular point, this point is very precisely important for you because this point will help you to identify what is the location of your plan. Your location plan should be very nearby to the Cartesian sign system, origin of the Cartesian sign system. Why? Because it helps you to take all the dimensional properly. It helps you to provide all the plans properly. Okay, when we will proceed for a design, it will definitely reflect to the all patterns why it is very important. Okay, so that is very important parameter. So first of all, what we have to do is first, you just come like this. Okay, now I'm going to select the line command. This is a line command. Okay, I selected the line command. Now I'm going to draw one line. So from where I can draw, you can see it is 0, comma 0. So I from this point I will draw. Okay, so my length is I'm drawing like it is a 4 meter of the length. Okay, right like this. So it is 4 meter of the length. Height I'm taking as a 4.3 meter. Okay, and the here also again 4 meter and 4.3 meter. Okay, so I'm just this is my hall, right click enter. So this is my hall. Now again I want to add few things, so I again select repeat line. Okay, from this point I am adding only 3 meter length, and here also I'm adding the 3 meter length. Now you can see I have added the 3 meter of the beam over here. Indirectly it is a 3 meter of the beam. Now what I have to do is I want to add this beam over here. Okay, but here you can see this particular beam and this particular beam. Okay, these are two different things. Even in AutoCAD, when you draw the center line plan, this particular line and this particular line meet at this point. Okay, what does it means? It means at this point the column position will reflect. Okay, at this point the column will be generated. But you can see that here also the two beam are adding. Okay, so you need to break the beam in Strat Pro. Okay, now why I'm telling you to break this beam, because in Stat Pro or in ETAB, whenever you are going to apply the lie load, the slab load, the two-way dispersion will be there definitely, right? There will be the two-way dispersion, like one triangle and one trapezoidal, right? So due to this particular condition, okay, that that dispersion, okay, will not properly allocate. Okay, so that leads to the not formation of the slab, automatic slab. So you need to add the slab manually. Okay, that's a very big problem in StatPro and ETAB also. Okay, so better what you have to do, you can just take the beam tool over here and draw the another beam from right click from this point to the next point. Okay, so it will give a very good analysis results. Now you can see this length is very long. It is 4 meter, like it's nearly 4 meter or 5 meter long. So I want to just check dimension. Let me check the dimension. Okay, so you can see, wait a minute, I can go the linear, annotate dimension linear from here to here. It is 4.3, right? It is 4.3 meter, right? So it is okay for me, but better if we can draw the line beam over here. But for the aesthetic purpose, I don't want to add. Okay, let's see what is the deflection. Is totally depend upon your shear forces and bending moment. After that, what I'll do, I'll go again home, select the line command, and I'll draw the beam from here like this. Okay, this is my one room. Okay, another room is there. Okay, I draw like this. Now I want to export this particular plan in ETAB. So what is my first step? My first step is, first you need to save this plan, save as. Okay, I'll save on my desktop. I'll create a new folder. Okay, a new folder number 3. Okay, I give the name as plan. Okay, and I first save this plan as a 2007 of DXF format. Okay, save. Now again what I'll do, I will save this particular format in DWG format. Okay, let it get saved. Now again go save as in 2007, same year, in DWG format. Okay, now let it get saved. As it's saved, now open the ETAB, but before that you need to close this civil like this software, AutoCAD or Civil 3D. Okay, don't worry. Now after that go to the file. Okay, new model, then use built-in setting. Okay, okay, click on blank, custom grid spacing, and here it is a main important thing. Here it will they are asking you like how much amount of story you want to build. So I'm providing, like I want to provide like two-story building only. So you can provide a two-story building, only two number. If you want to provide a three-story, just provide a three. Now they also asking you, like they also ask you like how much amount of the height of the each and every floor you want to provide. So I provide 3 meter itself. Okay, and click on OK. So you can see there will be no any pattern will import in that. Okay, but yes, only a normal area with a normal height will be imported to this plan. After that, you can see like this plan will import it. Now you need to go to the file, import, and here you need to import the .dxf file of floor plan. Okay, so you can click on this. After that, we will go to the desktop, the new folder 3 where we will search, okay, the new folder 3, okay, and select this plan, okay, and click on OK. Now it will ask you the things what we need to import. We need to import the 0, okay, and here we need to set in metric, okay, number of story 2, global Z direction, okay, that's it. No things, nothing you need to put over here. That's it, and click on OK, okay, and they will ask you to save the name. So just give it a name 1, save. Okay, you can see the plan is imported. Okay, you can see from the specific distance whatever we took in AutoCAD or Civil 3D software, same similar pattern of the plan is imported over here. Okay, so now in next video I will teach you that how we can post process, like how we can raise the plan in Z direction in multiple stories. Okay, so do practice of this particular things, it is very important. Okay, and we will soon complete this lecture. Thank you.